me people. Zuko Yiki on the bass. Frankie Gardens, Tulani on the drums. Also, yeah, we need to thank everyone that's here. It's so beautiful out here, it's so warm. It's too nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, so last week I played at the Joburg Zoo.
Yeah, man.
It's the big festival there. They said all the animals are going to be happy because there's going to be some nice music for the animals. Apparently there's parties there as well that are happening. So my piano as well, the animals have to duck and dive. so they brought chairs in there. So yeah, I was part of that. It was amazing. Everybody in Joburg, people looked lovely. It was beautiful. And then I played after Kujenga.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Kujenga is the band, is young people that are playing this beautiful music, so inspiring. That being said, I'm also in the company of these, beautiful young people here that are taking the music forward. Thank you. Yeah. We also want to thank MXO for believing in the music and believing in us, and this is who we are. Thank you. There's songs that I used to sing when I was growing up, in the township there in Zwelicha, in King Williamstown. So there used to be songs for initiation, like, I can't sing it high.
Uzajibute kwekweni uzajibute ntombini oh kuyasa sasichilo kaloko Zila uchu bale